Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve data from the database using PHP. In the previous video, I showed you how we upload data to the database, and now in this video, we are going to retrieve that data from the database onto our home page when it loads. Before continuing guys, please like this video and hit the subscriber button and leave the comments below how you find this video and if you want me to do another tutorial on any other topic. So let's get to it. First of all, we are going to create a div class row in which we're going to have 3 other columns just like we did before in the previous video. So our posts are retrieved in the middle class column and they are stayed in the center. We're going to give them a value of 6, and inside here we're going to have another div which is going to be the card, and the style of the card is going to be light with a margin bottom of 3 and some padding of 2. Inside this div we're going to have 2 more divs, one for the header and another one for the body of the card. So in the header we will have the data of the uploader, and in the body we will have the actual content of this post. We save this and we refresh our page and see what we got here. So we can see we got another card here which has a header and a body. Next thing we need is to retrieve the data from the database. To do that, we are going to go back to our PHP code and we're going to say the post result is equal to my SQLi query, where we have the connection and the actual query of the database. So we're going to say select everything from posts and order it by post ID in descending order. So this will retrieve all the posts from the post table and order them by the post ID in the descending order, so that the latest post is shown first. We're gonna count how many posts have we got. So we can say number of posts is equal to MySQLi number of rows. I'm gonna say post result object here. So with this line we connect to the database and we get the data from the database and we store it inside post result, which is an object, and then we use the post result to count how many rows have we retrieved inside the number of post variable. Next thing we need to know is show the data on our website. For that we're gonna go back to our HTML code, and guys, for each post we want the code to generate another card div. So for each post we're gonna generate this bit of code again and again. So before that we're gonna create our PHP code and we're gonna say for I equals to 0 and I is less than number of posts and I increments, and everything we want inside the post is going to be until here. So we finish our PHP code at this bit. So we open our for loop here and we close it here. So for each post this is going to be generated. We retrieve the data inside our variables. So we do the post data is going to be MySQLi fetch array and post result. So post result was the data retrieved from the database inside an object, and now we fetch the array from the object and store it inside post data. We are going to get the uploader's ID, and we are going to get the message. We got the uploader's ID, but we need the uploader's name to be shown on the header of the card. To do that, we're gonna need to execute another SQL query. So we retrieve the user's data using the uploader ID that we got from the previous SQL statement. So for that, we do uploader data result equals MySQLi query. We connect to the database and we say select full name from users where user ID equals the uploader ID. This will get the data. We just want the full name, so we ask the query to just retrieve us the full name, because it is unnecessary to retrieve all the data of the users when we only need the full name. So we got the full name, and we're gonna store it inside a variable uploader name, which is going to be MySQLi fetch array. Inside the array, we're gonna say uploader data result, and the value is going to be at number 0 inside the array, because we only retrieved one attribute. So now we have the uploader ID, which we used to get the uploader's name, and we have the message. All we need to do now is display these two values. So inside our header, we're gonna create our PHP code again, and we are going to echo the uploader's name. And inside our body, we are going to create another PHP code, and we're gonna echo the message. We save this and we go back to our website and we see what we have got here. So we refresh our page and we can see that we have retrieved our post from the database. So here we got in the body, we got the message, and in the header we got the user's name. If we go back to our database, we can say in the post that we only got one data here. We can upload more data and we can see how it works. So we say, hi, my name is John, and this is my first upload to this forum. We upload the post, it is uploaded and it's retrieved as well. So guys, that's it for this video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to insert images inside the database. So basically, we will upload our post with the text and images, and how to retrieve those images and display in the body of these cards. Please like this video and leave a comment below how you found it, and I will see you in the next video.